Today, we're touring one of the most amazing hotel suites in Boston. Recently named one of the best hotels in Boston by Travel + Leisure magazine, Encore Boston Harbor is one of Boston's most opulent hotels, and this 2-bedroom residence is certainly worth a look. At over 3,000 square feet, there's plenty of room to relax with friends, with multiple seating areas and dining areas in the main living space. This amazing living area has some gorgeous seating, a full dining room table, a beautiful bar, and just plenty of space to entertain and enjoy the view. When not enjoying the resort's many amenities, guests can come back to this beautiful space and relax and enjoy the view of Boston. This is the first of the 2 bedrooms, and it's actually the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but it still has a gorgeous view. It's already huge, and it has some beautiful furnishing. So this bedroom has its own walk-in closet, its own bathroom, a beautiful desk, plenty of seating, and also all the Alexa features like the rest of the residence. So if you literally ask Alexa, she'll do anything. Open the shades, open the TV, turn down the lights, turn off the lights, whatever you want. With Alexa hooked up to all of the controls in the room, guests can just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So this is the first bathroom for the first bedroom. It's gigantic. It has his and her sinks, a large walk-in closet, an amazing shower, and another great view. Enjoying the same style as the rest of the suite, this bathroom has lots of marble, floor-to-ceiling windows, and all the other little luxuries you'd expect from Encore. There's a large walk-in shower, lots of metallic touches, and again, plenty of space. All right, so it's time to check out the master bedroom. It's beautiful. It has a corner view and an unreal bathroom. After a fun day exploring Encore Boston Harbor, coming back to this master bedroom in the 2-bedroom residence is just the respite any luxury traveler needs. So this is the master bedroom. It has a king-size bed, some amazing decor, an even better view, and there's just so much space to relax and just enjoy. So before we even check out the bathroom, look at this master closet. It's amazing. There's so much room. There's a huge mirror right here, so you can really check out your outfit before it's time to go out. Follow me to this amazing master bathroom. So it's huge, has an amazing tub, some gorgeous marble all over the place, a his and hers sink, a beautiful shower, a great view. This luxurious master bath has everything you could ask for and more. Encore Boston Harbor is dedicated to offering luxurious experience for its guests, as well as a diverse set of dining and other amenities. The spa and salon are back in full swing on the weekends for relaxation and primping, and as the weather starts to get nicer, the free water shuttle is an excellent way to get to and from Encore from downtown Boston. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.